Okay, welcome to another video of me modeling stuff. So I'm just going to make a simple pot light. So I'm going to add a cylinder. I'm not going to explain why I use a cylinder, you will just see it. Basically, you don't want to use a circle because it doesn't come with a face. And making a face is just more work than what you need. So I'm going to delete that face because it's not what we need. I'm going to select polys. Select polys, good circle, extrude, E, scale S, scale it in a little bit, extrude again, move it down, extrude again, move it in, W, merge, collapse. There you go, you got a nice face that the game will read as nice tries. This face right here, the game probably will not render, and if it does, it would render it very poorly, because most game engines are designed to change everything into tries. And as you can see, it would have to change this into a try manually, which would just give you more work. So I'm actually just going to delete this face now. So I have this, I'm going to scale it down, move it against the mesh. Scale it down, move, position it properly. As you can tell, I'm using the guide for the y-axis to line me up with the corner properly. Okay, so now I'm going to duplicate. Okay, so now I'm going to select all, duplicate. Reason why I'm duplicating them in object mode is that way though I wouldn't have to rename them. If I want to add more lights, I would just separate one of these and then duplicate one of these, separate, then delete the one in edit mode, because that's just, to me, a lot easier. There we go. They're both good. Yes. There you go. You got pot lights. So I'm just going to move them down a little bit. Basically what I do is I just move them until they start disappearing. Once they start disappearing, move them just up a little hill, and there we go. Still not quite there. This is the point that you say, I could move everything up. There we go. Now I just resized all of them at once. So now I'm just going to sink it into the mesh. There we go. And now the lights are proper. So you can see they're not floating in midair. They're right against the mesh. We have lights. They're not even that much into the mesh. That's perfect. Excellent. All right.